aware, because you've been on here before, that we are really putting a lot of emphasis into agriculture, and we have a wonderful research garden out back. And we've done 2 years of research where we were focusing on what grows best in our area in terms of types of tomatoes and things, but now we want to try to reach out to help people who can only grow in pots and things like that in their backyard. So we are now going to try to focus our research this spring on container gardening to try to get more people involved in growing stuff in containers and vegetables and herbs and things like that in their yards.
How many students will be involved in this project?
Well, I have a class of 110, and then I have some other ELT students that come to me in the morning from another team, about 20 or 25, so about 135 students. But then the data that we get after this final round of doing it, we're going to send it out to the entire community.